Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Start Studio Gallery. Still swipe obsessed with some Prussian blue. I've added some black to the edges of my canvas. And I want to have a basic color to the edge. And I don't mind if it mixes with the black. And I thought about putting some gold in there, but I'm still thinking about putting some purple in there. And it might even be some of, yes, open, the purple flash. Just to throw a little something different in there. Just basically making a background. Ooh, that's celled nice. I saw lots and lots of little tiny cells. So I'm going to do that again. And maybe again. I'll have to do that with a card at some point. And I've blended the black for the most part. I put my spatula down and think I'm going to use it. So the last time I did this, or I attempted to do this, I had, there's my swipe card. I had full intentions of not putting a background in, and I put a background in anyway. And so what I'm thinking is that I want an electric blue from Oteza dominant swipe. And I'm happy to share the process with some. Are you coming out? It's not coming out. It was coming out a minute ago. How can I do that? That's just so fast. Alright, I'm going to use some turquoise. It's got iridescent pearl fine in it from Golden. I have to decide what goes in my middle. I don't really want white this time. You know what? I think I'm going to go for purple. And it's open, yay. Hopefully it won't take over if I don't use too much of it. I really want that Venetian blue open. So pardon me for a moment while I take my very sharp stainless steel tweezers that you could buy too on the Amazon link that's on the link tree that's directly under the video. First blue link you find there. And that has really got some stuff in the tip of it. But I've got it. So I'm wondering right now if I should put some gold around the outside of all that. But I really like what I've got, and I really want this to be so turquoise dominant. I'm calling the electric blue from Oteza, which is a metallic turquoise. It's really not. Being that they called it electric blue. Duh. Use a little bit of that. Hopefully I will have enough. So I am going to do two things. I'm going to put a gold stripe down the center. Usually the first color you dip your swipe card into is the color that you wind up with it dominant, and I'm hoping that the blue will somehow survive the gold. This is my Amsterdam black with a little bit of pre-stained wood conditioner in it. Just that much. And I'm going to grab myself a little bit of a scrape dish. I thought I just had one. I must have used it up. I think I scraped a little too hard. So I'm not sure how to go about that. Maybe I'll just grab something more flexible for the next round. Something smaller. Smaller on one end and longer. And then I have to wonder what's going to happen with the gold. I'm just going to move it back and forth. Up and back and across. Because gold will often sell. I do want to keep using the black though. Like I said, Amsterdam black. The recipe is, once your paint is mixed, 2 ounces of your paint mixed with your recipe to 10 drops of the Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner. I'm getting way closer to what I have in mind as far as swipes go with the turquoises. I'm very happy with my results. With the possible exception of that one end bit. So this is going to be pretty quick. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Asking you to give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I am going to torch release the bubbles caught in the paint. I wish I'd paid very close attention to what I did there, but it probably had everything to do with putting the paint on. You have to have just the right amount. It's very irritating. And you can swipe through colors more than once. And you will get a different reaction if you do so. So this one is a little bit different than the rest. And so is this. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But I'm kind of inclined to, what? Find that, I got the right side? No, I don't. I want the curve down. I remember how this selled. And I want a different width card. I'm not going to wipe it off. I do really, really adore these colors. And I'm pretty well happy with that. I could, if I had a much smaller card, I think I might go in there. Do I? I have a spatula. I always think about the spatulas after the fact. So let's try one of these now. I'm pretty happy. I like those big gold cells. They're beautiful. And I'm going to take all the paint off my card, put it in my little dish. Tell you guys that I'm going to zoom in and try and actually do it because I remembered. Yay! Hit and run swipe with the colors I like. And I'm a poet. Alright. So what should I tell you? There is a monthly drawing. Every month a new one comes out and it'll be on the first of the month. And the exhibition video that the prizes are shared with you on is up all month long, posted to every single video. In the last 20 seconds you can see it. Quite nice on the cells. Lots of variation. I like lots of variation. Keep it organic, keep it interesting. So thank you guys for giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for being here. I have almost 93,000, or I may have 93,000 subscribers by now. I might be working on 94, who knows. I wish my camera would not make my painting look crooked though. Hey, look at that, it's straightened out. So please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, you help me out. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. When you watch them when the notifications come out, you help me out. When you watch the commercials, you help me out. My link tree is below the video. It's the first blue link. You can find my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula there, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and all kinds of other cool stuff, as well as Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Oh wait, the link tree doesn't have that. The Amazon link has that. Wow, that was dumb. Anyway, brain cramp. I want to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that you give me all the time and all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And my Amazon link is a great place to shop and look for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And it's at no added cost to you when you shop there, and it helps me out. If you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for the paint pouring recipe, it's directly under the video. I'm going to zoom in again. Do I have a favorite part? I think that's it right there. That's definitely more dramatic in person. I have natural light flooding in from the side. Sometimes it's not as dark, but it dries darker, so it's going to be beautiful. This one's going to be astonishingly gorgeous. Thank you guys for joining me so much. I appreciate you being here. If you're interested in making a purchase, it's by far and away the best way to support the studio. My prices are not insignificant, and they do stay within a certain range to protect my collectors. My email address, should you want to contact me in that regard, or to find out more information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, is directly under the email. Directly under the link tree is my email address. When you click Open Show More, you'll also find the paint pouring recipe and sundry information. Teespring Clothing is the clothing you see underneath the video. It's got all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me and maybe I can put it there. Same thing with Fine Art America and Pixels.com, also on the link tree, along with my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, where I share tomorrow's video often, and my other Facebook pages I often share tomorrow's video. The community board on my YouTube channel is a good place to look for tomorrow's video. And if you're looking for the place to donate through PayPal or Patreon, that is also on the link tree, those links, and on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner, you'll find the icons, and you should be able to press one of those and be led right through it. I think I've told you everything except for the fact that I have 2,000 videos and 19 lists of 100 each, and I'm populating the 20th. And I have everything is organized by topic and genre. And if you ever need a link for anything, for a product or a video or a playlist, just ask me. I'm happy to help you. So you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying, ooh, this is so pretty. Can't wait to show it to you dry. It's going to be awesome. I love you, all of you. Take care. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.